This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic, how to prevent trips and falls at home for seniors. These accidents are a leading cause of injury, but with some simple steps they can often be avoided. First, let's talk about decluttering. Ensure walkways and hallways are clear of obstructions. Loose rugs, cables, or unnecessary furniture should be removed or secured, as they can easily cause someone to trip. Adding non-slip mats or rugs is a great way to improve traction and minimize slipping hazards. Next, consider lighting. Well-lit areas reduce the risk of accidents, so replace any dim or flickering bulbs. Install nightlights, especially in bathrooms and hallways. Stairs should have handrails on both sides, and steps should be clearly marked. Use contrasting colors or tape to make edges easily visible. Don't forget to keep floors dry. Spills should be cleaned immediately, and wet floors should be marked or avoided until they're dry. Footwear is another crucial factor. Ensure seniors wear shoes with good grip, both indoors and outside, and avoid walking in socks on slippery floors. Regular eye checks are vital as well. Good vision is key in identifying potential hazards. Ensure glasses prescriptions are up to date and keep glasses clean. For those with mobility issues, assistive devices like canes or walkers should be used. Ensure these are the right height and have rubber tips or grips to prevent slipping. Additionally, consider installing grab bars in bathrooms, near toilets, and in showers. These can provide extra stability when needed. Using a shower chair is also beneficial for those who are unsteady when standing. Finally, consider personal alarms or wearables that can detect falls and alert help at the touch of a button. A quick response can make a significant difference in outcomes after a fall. Remember, taking proactive steps to create a safe home environment is vital. Help your loved ones feel more secure and independent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you and God bless.